Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We're basically going to do a bit of a yard walk, kind of show off what we have, some kind of cool cars that we have lying around the place here, some potential future projects. And if there's anything here that you are interested in, want to know a bit more information, just let us know in the comments. Or if there's anything here that you'd like to see us working on sooner rather than later, just let us know. So, right, we'll kick things off here with the first cool car. All right, so this is the first car. Tell us a little bit about it. What is it? Where'd you get it?
91 Honda Prelude, 2 litre 16 valve electronic fuel injection, pop-up headlight model. It's around here a while now, needs a bit of work. If anybody has a bumper for the front of it, really could appreciate a bumper. Also needs a tail light, which I can't get either. It's a 4-wheel steer model one, this one. Completely original car. Does need a bit of work, with a sunroof as well.
And these are only going up in price as well, like.
Yeah, they're getting very rare now. So
yeah, they're really starting to become quite popular. Where did you get this one? Like, where did you find it?
This one was found in a field not that terribly far from here.
Oh really? Local?
Just lying in a field.
Really?
Yeah. So approached the owner. It was a bit of a struggle, but he eventually decided that he wanted to sell it. So purchased it, and it's sat here since. Unfortunately, just a few bits and pieces can't be got for it, leaving it hard to get it done.
Wow.
Hopefully we'll get it done in the near future.
That would be
one of the cars for the channel.
And what's the plan? Like, what are you thinking to do with this?
Completely stock.
Keep it, yeah.
Completely stock. Yeah. Just a full refurb, full paint, do the body work on it. Maybe a nice LBC coilovers or something like that. Lower it, but
just tasteful basically. Nothing.
Yeah, original wheel.
Yeah.
Be kept sanded on it.
I think that's the way you got it. Yeah.
That's the way forward in some of these cars, and that's just the way to go.
Yeah. No, for something like this, definitely, fully agree.
Original. Two very popular Hondas here, a DC5 Honda Integra Type R and an EG Civic hatchback as well. One in the Captiva Blue Civic. Needs a lot of work, this car. It needs sills and arches and a wee bit of work on the floor pan as well. Has the original Honda Fat 5 alloys, spoon sport spoiler, spoon mirrors on it. EG6 booted with the smaller recess in it as well. Has the full black EG6 interior as well. Just needs a bit of work, a bit of time put into it, but this is a plan for a future track car. Hoping to go to 1.5 VTEC turbo engine in this. Road legal obviously as well. Just something for a bit of fun. Get it on the road and be able to rag it around and have a bit of abuse with it. Give it a bit of abuse, but be able to enjoy it at the same time. Over to the DC5. Sure, where do you start with DC5? K20 engine, red Caros. Fairly original car this, no lowered suspension, no nothing. There's only 60,000 miles in that car as far as I know. It was a car that did get a slight body repair before, and it just was never finished properly around here. It realistically now it could do with a full coat of paint again. Alloys need to be refurbed, headlights need to be polished, just the usual stuff that fades on them. It's lay up a few years now, and it just again needs a bit of work.
What's the plan with this? Keep it fairly standard?
Yeah, similar to the Prelude really. I'd like to put a nice set of coilovers in it lower, but apart from that, completely standard again.
Nothing major. Same as the Prelude. Just keep it nice and simple.
Nice and simple and original.
Yeah, definitely. As you can see, there's already like a lot of really cool projects here, but this shed is literally filled with like some really fucking cool stuff. So we're gonna talk a little bit about what else is in the back of this shed.
So over in the corner here we have a Daihatsu Charade Detto Masso. Beside it then we have a Mark II Jetta, completely original car, just needs paint. Focus ST. Then over here at the back we have another behind the Integra Civic Coupe in the Tahiti green. Nissan Sunny, and over there there's a couple of Cadets, Golfs, and a 85 front wheel drive Corolla as well. So we have a 91 Honda Civic EF, fairly clean little car this, just needs a bit of paint. Not really a big project this either, just a bit of paint, coilovers again. Looking for an EF9 front indicator there if any of the followers has one of them. Very hard to get.
If anybody wants to donate one.
Yeah. It has the EF9 interior. Obviously it has the Advan SA3R alloys as well, which are very rare to get. Spoon spoiler on the back of it as well, and it has all the bronze glass in it as well. Factory. Full EF9 interior as well. It's obviously a Jap import on this one, as well as the Jap recess in the back bumper for the small plate. So fairly clean car. I'll post a picture of where I found this, and you won't believe it's the same car when you see it.
Have you done a lot of work on this already?
No, I haven't done a whole. I just washed it, but when you see where I came out of the colour,
simple
the
wash.
Oh, like, and that even didn't even get a good wash. But wait till you see when you can see how bad it was.
And where was this? Just sitting in a ditch?
It was lying in a shade that the roof had come off, and the whole moss and green and scum and everything was growing down around.
How do you find these?
Oh, we have ways of finding these things.
This is fucking nuts, like.
Yeah. So no, I had started with putting the advans on it and washing it, and just time kicked in. Then I couldn't get a chance to get back in it. So
such a cool combination of car and wheels, like those.
Yeah.
Those wheels suited
old school Jap wheels.
So good.
And
so
nice
good.
wee bit of a lower on that now, and it'll really set it off. A nice set of side skirts needed as well.
I don't think I'll even bother asking what the plan is.
It's fairly straightforward.
Fairly straightforward.
Yeah,
Keep
exactly.
it clean, set of coilovers,
Yeah.
and yeah. Okay, cool.
So this one is a D15B dual carb engine. Not really going to do much with this. I'm not trying to push big power ring in this car. I just want it for a bit of a show car. Just a Honda that you can just drive it and enjoy it. I'm not really worried about power anymore.
Yeah.
Really. Just keep it simple. Once you start swapping out engines and stuff, you lose time, you lose interest. So I don't plan on going that far into the build on this one. It's just
Gotta
get
keep
it done. I want to give it a quick coat of paint as well, hopefully. So that'll make all the difference to
Colour?
it. Well. Oh, staying white.
Keep it white. Yeah,
White, yeah.
I think so. Right, so that's only like a touch of all the cars that are here. There's literally
Full of stuff.
sheds full of them. So we got some really cool ones. So another one. Now this one here, I'm particularly kind of interested in. I like this a lot. So this yoke.
So 89 Supra, obviously Supra is a big car in the motor world. So this is a 3-litre non-turbo manual, finished white in colour. It's a completely original car, original wheels, original spare wheel was never even on the car. It was a lady owner that moved over from England, and she just couldn't get VRT'd or insurance on it in this country, so she sold it to ourselves. That was probably 15 years ago, and it's sitting in our yard since. It drove in there probably 8 or 9 years ago, and it hasn't really been started since. But again, I need a windscreen for it, and probably a fresh coat of paint at this stage as well, a good wash.
It drove in.
Yeah.
How easy can we get this to run?
Oh, it'll run. Fresh petrol. It's no Toyota, come on.
I think we're going to have to try and get this to run someday soon. That could be a video there in itself. So
this thing is absolutely spotless inside.
How long is this car here?
Oh, I don't know. It's so long here, but like, it's absolutely spotless. The
That's
blue interior
amazing.
is immaculate on it. So it is.
Oh my god. Can we get zoom? Look at that. Focus up. Wow.
Spotless. A good wash that car needs, and driven.
I need to see this thing moving. I need to see this thing moving like today. There you go. That's just some of the cars that we have available to us. If there's anything you're interested in seeing, please do feel free to leave a comment down below. If you would like to join us on this journey, please do follow us and subscribe to us. It does help us to continue to do this kind of work. And if you liked it, leave a like. It's the best way to leave engagement. Until next time, we'll see you soon.